What's going on, everybody? It's Wes over here at Blue Coast. Today we're going to start the series for the Knuckledusters. So let's go over here into printables and see what we can find. We're going to make some small little two-finger Knuckledusters. Let's see. Those are pretty cool. We'll go with that. Go ahead and download these. Open that baby up. There we go. We can check out all of our levels, because all this stuff we probably don't need. Delete entities, clear empty levels, all. That one's selected. We'll do the same thing for that one. So now we got this file. And so first things first, let's go ahead and transform this. I'm gonna bring it here. And we'll go like this. So one thing I really don't like, I think this whole size is a little too small for my finger. It's 787. So this is what I'm gonna do. We will create a new level. Name that wire. Come to wireframe. We'll curve one edge at a time. That way we're all pretty much on the same plane. We'll just do these bottom ones. Should be good. So now, come over here, turn this off. There we go. So let's go ahead and scale this up. We'll go 1.5. Let's see something real quick. How big is that? We'll go 1.25. We'll get rid of all these real quick. Check that one. That looks good. Almost 1 inch. Finger should fit in there pretty well. We'll get rid of these. Cool. So I don't know if I really like that pointed edge. I don't know if we should make that, you know, rounded, kind of put a radius on it, or what. I think the stock I have, a little extra material, is not that big. I think it's 2.5. So that might be a problem. So this is what I came up with. It's pretty much the same size, so I guess we can leave it. We can leave it like that. The only thing I really don't like is this. I think I'm going to make this solid all the way back here. That's what I'm going to do right here. So we'll just put a line here to here. Parallel to there. Then we can probably give this a nice little radius here. Looks good. Delete that. How many we got? Alright. I don't know why there's so many. Alright. What do y'all think? Do y'all like this pointed edge here, or should we do something about that? Let me know. In the next video we could always come in and change it. We'll keep these there. I kind of like that point, but maybe we could do this real quick. I kind of like that. Do an 1/8 inch. Cool. So there we have it. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all like, one more than the other. Let's see. So now we can do this. We'll do number 2. Oh, we'll do 3. Solid. So now I'm gonna come up here to solids, extrude. We'll do that one, and that one. Go down the other way. We'll go 1/2 inch. Cool. Now the only other thing I really want to do is put a constant fillet on all these. Probably do that side, that side. We'll do like 1/8 of an inch. Well, 80 thou. See what that looks like. What do y'all think? That looks pretty good. Cool. Let me know what y'all like. This one's kind of growing on me, but I kind of like this one better. I am going to make it flat on the back, that way there's a little bit more contact against your palm. If y'all think I should go ahead and radius this one a little bit, or maybe invert it, but I think what I might do is 3D print both of these real quick. That way we can, you know, see it, and I'll throw that up under the post section on YouTube, and I'll do a little poll or something. Let me know which ones y'all like. So this is part 1 of the Knuckleduster series. Part 2 will be programming it. Part 3 will be running it on the Haas mini mill outside. So let me know, guys, which one y'all like better. Drop a comment down below. Make sure to like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Later.